Hi, I'm doing the ooze bath challenge and there's me. There's the bathtub full of slime. That's evil. You'll see why. Bye. So right now, I'm about to get into the bathtub on here and that's it. So right here you see why the slime is so evil. Because I fell and all the slime went all over my bathroom. You gotta put that slow-mo replay in there too. So at this point in time, I really don't know what to do because I'm gonna get yelled at and there's slime all over the bathroom floor. I tried to play with the slime, but I keep thinking about what I did and I'm scared that I'm gonna get yelled at. I shut down for like 5 minutes and just stared because I don't know what to do. I'm laying down right now because I'm scared and I'm trying to relax. This is me trying to calm myself down. I'm bobbing my head right now because I have that song stuck in my head that's like Renegade, Renegade, Renegade or something like that. I'm about to perform Renegade for y'all. Are you willing to leave a like after you saw that beautiful performance? So I kind of forgot the big mess and I found a bunch of nasty clumps in my slime. I'm about to perform another dance for you guys. Okay, I think I'm done for now. Right now, I'm just staring at the light for some reason. I don't know why. I remembered the mess, and now I'm thinking about what I'm going to do. I wanted to taste the slime, but that didn't go very well. I'm getting up to get a drink from that horrible taste. Going to get my drink, I got yelled at for dragging slime into the hallway. So I come back into the bathtub. Dancing to my favorite song, Air, this happens. I was thinking in my mind, okay, I know. Here's me putting slime down my shirt and not liking it.
Boy, if you don't get if you love me, let me go.
Never judge a book by its cover. Psych!
Don't be acting crazy. Oh, Nina, look at the paper towels and the toilet paper. Oh my gosh, it's slimy on there. Nina, my feet are soaked with slime. Oh man, that's really slippery.
Slimy.
Ooh, what are you doing?
Oh, me? I'm doing the Is Bash Challenge by Simply Kids.
Oh, let me zoom in.
It's very slimy, and it's kind of nasty, but it's fun at the same time.
I see.
And you can do it in the summertime, so we're going to be getting our pool in the summertime.
It looks fun.
It is fun.